Hi everyone. So it's early January, and I know that while this time of year is often filled with holidays and festivities, it's also a time where our schedules get a little out of whack. Now, while a break is nice, sometimes an out of whack schedule wreaks havoc on our health. Lucky, I have watched this play out in thousands of bodies over more than a decade now, and I have a couple of little tips that I think will help you. So the first one is to make your health a priority. So often at this time of year, we're doing things for other people, friends, family members, kids, spouses, and there's that little story in the back of our head which is like, oh, that's okay, I'm not that important, I'll put that on the back burner. Really, you need to make your health a priority. So if you want to set your 2024 up for success, you want to try and bring that to the forefront of your mind. Think about making yourself a priority, because when you make your health and yourself a priority, you're filling up your cup and you're able then to really help the people around you more. The second one is to move in ways that feels good for your body. So I think sometimes 2024, beginning of the year, it's like, okay, let's make these big plans. We're going to run a marathon. We're going to implement some kind of training program, which means we're training 7 days a week. And while I love the motivation that comes at this time of year, sometimes just biting off maybe less than what you think you can chew is more beneficial. So just move in ways that feel good. Think about what your body needs, listen to your body, get that feedback around, okay, does this work for me? Is this happening? So that you can get a steady routine, because this is a little bit like the hare and the tortoise. It's sometimes when you come out of the gate like a bull in January, it really just trails off and we get injured and we become unmotivated before the month is even over. So move in ways that feel good for your body. And then that leads into my next point, which is if you're not sure what feels good for your body, or nothing at the moment feels good for your body, then ask for help. I have honestly never seen a situation where ignoring pain or discomfort or the signals that your body is giving you ends up playing out well. So if something doesn't feel right and you don't know where to start, or something's not good, then just ask for help. We're always here. We've got a great team of physiotherapists and Pilates instructors, and I guarantee you we'll be able to help you find movement enjoyable again. So if you're not sure, ask for help. Don't just put it off and put it off. And the final one is use accountability. So if it means maybe you want to have a movement buddy, maybe it means making an appointment or enrolling in a class, knowing that there's someone there waiting for you to show up can really help hold you accountable, sometimes at the last moment where it's easy to defer and maybe not do those things that you know you need to do for your body and for your health. But if you use an accountability system, that's going to hold you accountable, and it really sets you up for success, because to be able to make a new habit or change a habit, accountability is your secret weapon. It's the way you're going to get there faster. So I hope that was helpful, guys. I love this January period because it does come with so many exciting opportunities in the beginning of a new year. And my hope for you is that some of these tips resonate and that they set you up for a successful 2024. All right, good luck, guys. I'm sure I'm going to see you in the studio soon.